So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the Tech World. This video we are going to learn about the basics of HTML. My previous video was also upon this, in which we learned about the BR tag, the paragraph, heading, and many more. In this video, we will learn about the HTML formatting elements. These elements are also some tags, but because they are defined as elements, so we will learn this as the elements. So you can see on my computer screen, these are all the elements which we will go through in this video. So formatting elements are actually elements which are designed to display special types of text. What are the types of text? Bold text, important text. Both of them have the least of difference, actually no difference. But those HTML things. So we'll continue with italic text and emphasized text. Here also same, no difference. Both of them does not have any difference, but still HTML things. So next comes the marked text, the smaller text, deleted text, inserted text, subscript text, and the superscript text. Let me tell you one thing. Deleted text does not mean that the text is deleted from a particular sentence. What it actually means, we will know through the editor. When we will run it, we will get to know what it actually is. And also the inserted text does not mean that a text is inserted inside a particular sentence. No. What it actually means, we will learn when I run it in my editor. So we have started with the B and strong element. B stands for bold, and strong also does a text bold. When I will show it, we will get to know that there is no basic difference in both of these. They're almost the same. Let's start with it. I'm already ready with an HTML doc. So this is the title. I have shown what the title actually does. So first the bold driver element. This text is bold. See, this is how it comes when we use the B tag, the bold tag. I'll show you its difference when without the bold tag. See, this one is with the bold tag and this is without the bold tag. Now the strong. We can see that there is no difference between both of them. Now the next elements are the I and the EM element. I stands for italic and EM stands for emphasized text. So just do this. See, this is what it is when we use the I. Now for the EM or the emphasized. you can see that there is no difference between both of these, like I mentioned before in this video. Also, it's better to use BR after every sentence so that next sentence and then the next line. Coming next is our small element. It's just does this text smaller than our normal text without the small element. I'll show both of them. See this text is small. This is small. See, this is what comes when we use this font. Without this small, you can see the difference. This with the small tag or element is smaller than the normal text without the small tag. So here we have used to remove this. Also, I don't actually. So next is our mark element. So what it is it defines a text by highlighting it. So take it with the example. See, now what you can do is you can also mark a particular word. I'll show you. Nothing complex. This text is marked. This. You can clearly see the difference. You can just mark that particular sentence, particular text. Coming next is our del or delete element. I've told you that the delete does not mean that it's gonna delete a particular text. I'll show you what it does. This is awesome. Now, see what actually is it just strikes out a particular word. So you can also strike out the whole sentence by using the tag in the whole sentence. Tag out the element actually. Coming next is our ins or insert element. For this also I have said that it is not mean that we are inserting a particular text. I'll show you what it actually is. Taking the same sentence. See, so inserted tag just underlines the particular text. You can see what is subscriptive. What is it different from the delete element or the del element? So going further, we see that the next our element is our SUB element, which stands for the subscript. Most of you know what subscript is. I'll show you the text editor. So see, this is our subscript word where we have used this subscript. And the next and the last element of today's video is the SUP or the superscript. So you can see what you have done. Subscripted, superscripted. Most of you know what the difference is. This is how we use it in HTML by the help of the SUB and the SUP tags. So by this we finish today's video. I will give the source code in a video description, and regarding any doubts, please come to the comment box, give your doubts. Also the recommendations from your side will be helpful. Also like, share and subscribe my video, and stay tuned for next videos over HTML, CSS and JavaScript.